Hello, I'm Mayor Mike Foreman on Spreading Oaks Avenue, one of the many that have been repaired since 2016 when voters approved the sales tax for streets. That added 3/8% to everyone's purchases. So your $9 lunch became $9.03. All of those pennies have added up to $1.6 million a year for street repairs. And the really cool thing is, the street sales tax is paid for by not only Friendswood residents, but by everyone who shops here. That allowed us to repair portions of Briar Creek Drive, Yeho Drive, Winding Way Drive, Falling Leaf Drive, Cowards Creek Court, Greenbrier Drive, Moore Road, Briar Meadow Avenue, Wilderness Trail, Spreading Oaks Avenue, Baker Road, Linson Lane, and many others. Having the street maintenance sales tax kept us from having to raise taxes or reduce city services. In a future minute, we'll see which streets are next on the list for repair using sales tax funds. See you next time.